So this is my advice on how to approach the clips for the exam. You'll watch the clip 3 times. Alright, so let's try to identify the most important shots. We've got a pan over on students. You know it's a classroom setting. We're also trying to figure out an overview, the main idea of what's going on. We've got a mid shot of a teacher. Might be important. Let's see. New student walking in. Oh, we've got a low angle shot, looks like. So she must be important for some reason. That may be an important shot. 2 shot. 2 kids just studying and playing around, having a good time. Uh-oh, something catches his attention. So we have a 2 shot. Oh, she's mad about something, so she must like him. And looks like his attention has been caught by someone else. There was a close-up on him. So that close-up, that extreme close-up may be important. The 2 shot and the extreme close-up. That alternation, that may be pretty important. So let's see. Okay, so she's got his attention again. Let's call her jealous girl. Teacher, high angle on the teacher, showing how she's important. She throws the book at them. Nice acting job. Alright, so kind of a group shot with them still playing around. Oh, got the book thrown at them. Okay, tracking shot. Nice. This may be very important. Oh, especially since the new girl walks by. We'll call him Casanova. This is going to be really important. He will go to any length to catch a glimpse of her. So that's pretty important. Oh, now here's that 2 shot again of the original couple, Casanova and jealous girl. Ooh, zoom in on her emotions. Oh, she's upset. That's going to be pretty important. We may already have our 3 shots that we can focus on. Because we know that our overview, the main thing that's going on so far is jealous girl and Casanova. The 2 of them are flirting around, studying, but a new girl comes. And the other girl gets jealous. Now he's playing around with her. He's pulling some kind of prank on her. So here's a point of view shot. And she's going to follow the arrows to see what she's done. Now we're approaching about 2.5 minutes, so our clip won't go over this. So we'll stop about here. So our overview, we know that there's a boy and a girl. The jealous girl becomes jealous when the new girl arrives. Casanova, his attention is turned. So we know that's in the overview somehow. So let's take a look at it again. We'll pay a lot more closer attention to the shots and at what times they are. Okay, so there was our pan over, kind of sets up everything. There's our teacher. So you know it's a classroom setting with the teacher, with some students who are flirting around. Here comes the new girl. Up, high angle shot. She is important. I'm probably gonna use this one. I'm gonna look at the time. So I'm gonna write those times down. Then we have a 2 shot. Showing their relationship. His attention is taken. 2 shot again. He wants to know who the new girl is. She gets mad. Extreme close up for his emotion. Back to the 2 shot. And then the new girl walks in. Extreme close up again. So that's very important. I'm going to use that for sure. So I've got the two shots already that I'm going to use. Okay, the high angle, because that sets up that the girl is very important, and that would kind of allow me to write some kind of little bit of an overview. High angle on the teacher again, throws the book, another angle of the book being thrown. Okay, that's just kind of a side story that's not important enough to focus on. This is important. The 2 shot, the tracking shot, he'll go to any length. I'm going to note the times here so I can refer to them. He had a coughing fit or something, not sure what happened there. But this is really important too. It went from the 2 shot again to the close-up of her emotion. So I have to decide, I have to take one of those out. Which one do I want to take out? I think I'll take out the low angle in the beginning. Yes, it does set it up, but there's not quite as much to talk about with it. I can talk more about the 2 shot that goes to the extreme close-up shot. That's really important. and then the tracking shot of him going to any length just to see her is important. And then I think the other two shot that alternates to, I mean, not alternates, it's a two shot, and then he leaves and it goes to her extreme close up with her emotions. So here's our third time. I'm going to make sure that I see the details of the three shots that I want in particular. Pan over, I'm going to ignore the pan shot. It sets everything up, but not quite important enough. Teacher. Here's her first time entering, and then a different perspective, the low angle showing that she's important. But I think this is going to be really important here. Two shot where we see that the two of them are flirting. We see that there's a relationship. So that's an important shot that we can create the overview kind of thing with. We can tell the situation between the two of them. And then the close up there, and then back to the two shot. She walks by, extreme close up again. So I'm definitely talking about that one. I want to make sure I note the times, and I note that it's a two shot to an extreme close up, back to a two shot. She walks in, extreme close up. So that shows the problems, and I'm going to note the things that the jealous girl is doing as well. She's trying to get him to concentrate. She wants all of his attention. And then the new girl comes in and takes attention away. So that leads us to this. The two shot again of a tracking, then she walks by, takes his attention once again. Oh my gosh, I bet she's really jealous now. So he's going to go to any length to stay up with her and to see what's going on after leaving the two shot, after leaving jealous girl. And so here comes the third shot I'm going to talk about. The two shot, he leaves. Zoom in on her emotions where she's all upset. Okay, so those three shots talk about everything that I need to, and I can use all three of them to talk about the whole scenario. And I can use that one sentence. I can use that first shot to set the whole thing up. It's kind of an overview. There doesn't technically have to be one, but it sure will help. So, good luck.